Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. Now this look may look familiar to you guys if you saw my January favorites video or my first Shop My Stash, but that is because I'm recreating that look. I didn't film it the first time I did this look, and a lot of you guys liked it, so I'm finally sitting down to film it. To create this look, I used the Mar palette from Colourpop. This is what it looks like on the inside. It is just a really pretty palette with some neutrals but pops of colors, and I just really like it. This is the second time I've used it, and I really do like it. I want to play with this green so bad, so probably the next look I do with this palette is going to be using that color. So if you guys want to see how I got this look using the Mar palette from Colourpop, then keep watching. Alright, the first shade I'm going in with is Sorbet, and I'm going in with my Morphe M441, and I'm just blending this in the crease as my first transition shade. This is a really nice, like, light, warm brown tone. Now I'm going in with Sorbet and Top Down, and I'm just really putting this in the crease. This look is all blending, so you will see I do a lot of blending in this look. Next, I'm going in with just Top Down, and I'm really going to be focusing it on the outer V and in the crease a little bit just to add some depth, and again, just really blending it out. I was blending forever. Next, I'm going in with Gridlock, which is that gorgeous blue in the palette. It's a shimmer shade, and I'm just applying this to the lid with my finger. I kind of wish I used a wet brush. I think it would have looked better, but if you layer it on a couple of times, it's stunning. It's such a pretty blue shade. I love it. As you can see, like, as I built up the shade, it looks really good. Next, I'm just blending everything out with my M441 brush, and then I'm going back in with Gridlock because when I was blending, some of it went away, so I'm just applying a little more to where it looked like a little patchy to me. You couldn't really tell on camera. So next, I'm going in with Top Down, and I'm just going to be using my finger to apply this on the outer V just to really blend Top Down and Gridlock together. I do this multiple times, still blending that out. I'm telling you, this look is all blending. And I'm blending again with my M441 because I just needed to. So now I'm going back in with Top Down again on a brush this time, and I'm really packing it on that outer V so it can be nice and dark and a little bit in the crease as well, just because you could probably see there's that little tiny bit in the crease that's like naked. And going back in with Gridlock, and I'm just patting this on the eyelid one last time to blend together Top Down and Gridlock together, and blending everything out with my M441 again. I'm going back in with Gridlock again because that last blend kind of made some of the Gridlock shade go away. This is just all blending, as you can tell, and like going back and forth. Next, I'm going back in with Sorbet and Top Down, and I'm using a big fluffy brush from BH and just running this along the lower lash line just to make everything. I feel like this just makes the look, it like connects everything together. Kind of gives like a grungy vibe to it too. I love how this looks. So I'm going to go finish up the rest of my face, and I am back. And for lips today, I'm using the Fenty Gloss Bomb because I just felt like the Fenty Gloss Bomb was the best lip option for this look. It's nice and neutral. It goes literally with every single look ever. And I thought it looked really, really pretty with this look too. So that's why I went with it. And this is the finished look. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials. I also do hauls and reviews and a bunch of other fun videos. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!